Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off end-to-end encryption on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you open your Messenger app, you can select any of the chats you want to chat with. As you can see that every chat of yours will get encrypted on your messenger. To turn it off, you need to hold your chat and then simply tap on the restrict button. Once you tap on restrict, your chat with them will be a restricted area. So tap on the hamburger like icon and then tap on the settings option. There you need to scroll down and choose the privacy and safety. There you can find the restricted accounts. So from there you can select the restricted account and simply unrestrict it. Once you do this, the end-to-end encryption will automatically get turned off on your messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.